And race on Dugus Fantasy from the outside. Bahala na. Paris Melody moving up by the Reds. Amanda. Panamera Bruno. Amazing Damascus. Ula Juwan and General Dugo. Taudamar, Dugus Fantasy, Amanda, Bahala na. And on the outside is Paris Melody. And rounding the part turn, Taudamar by Anek, Dugus Fantasy on the outside, Amanda, Paris Melody racing on the outside fourth as they race the last 500. Dugus Fantasy takes the lead to the mark. Amanda, Paris Melody on the outside as they race the final corner. Dugus Fantasy, Amanda down on the inside. Paris Melody on the outside third. Amanda, Dugus Fantasy, and Paris Melody running in third. But Amanda by Alan Kenhab, Dugus Fantasy, Paris Melody down on the inside. But still Amanda by Alan Kenhab. And finally, Amanda, Dugus Fantasy, Paris Melody, Ula Juwon.